Now, what happened? Kerry, why didn't you get the deposit back?
Because my landlord said that she'd put my deposit in a DPS.
Explain what a DPS is. I know, but people may not.
It's a government protective scheme so that landlords and tenants can't dispute.
Very sensible. She
wrong.
had to do that.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
She said that it will be in there within 14 days.
Splendid. Good so far. What happened in 14 days?
It wasn't in there.
When you first moved in, the deposit wasn't separated into a separate account.
No.
Where was it put?
I don't know, I think she kept it.
I see. So you moved out now. That's the important part. You asked for your deposit back. Who do you ask that of?
My landlady, she said that it will be in my bank account within 5 working days.
5 working days happened. What then happened?
Was it in my bank?
At this stage, it's £700. You know you've got to give it back to Dad. You must have felt... Well, how did you feel?
Well, I was a little bit worried, but I thought maybe it's just taken a little... It might not have been dead on 5 working days. It might be taking a little bit longer.
But you thought it was protected?
Yeah, I thought it was coming back.
So I'm safe? What happened after the 5 days?
I called my landlady. She said there might be a problem at the DPS. She'll call them. Don't worry. She'll sort it out and get back to me. She didn't get back to me. So
Seen
I
her
called
since?
No.
Spoke to her since?
No.
Disappeared, has she? Quelle surprise. Now, I think you've done a search on the company which she rented that property to you from, am I right?
Yeah.
Now, I've looked at all the other evidence you provide in respect of that flat, but this is the only issue that matters for your claim. Do you understand?
Yes.
I looked on Company's House to look into the letting agent. I found that the company has dissolved. And that proves that I couldn't get the £700 to pay back my dad, is what you say to me. In other words, she's run off with the deposit money. Never to be seen again. What a shame. She's broken the law, do you know that?